This is totally broken. I bought it at the secondhand store. This little basket looks very nice, but it was clearly headed for garbage. So this would be like a centerpiece of my decorations, of my fence. Oopsie. And I wonder if garden critters or birds would be interested in this little decorational element. We will see. Hello, my dear gardeners. Look, I just came back from the store, and today I'm decorating with you this lovely garden corner near my wattle fence. And this one is a big one. Look at this. It is metal. It's not rust-proof steel, so well, the price reflects it. This was just $15, yes. From Job Lot, we have this lovely store, so I'm going to design my corner with you today, plus a beautiful little pot. This is exciting. I love to decorate. I like how this fence is like an empty canvas. You know, you put in front of you A4 drawing paper and you're ready to design. So the weakest point in this fence is this corner where everything is kind of sticking out. So we have two options. Either cover it or distract the eye to create something strong in the middle. This way people are not looking at that, but getting excited about this situation here. And I think I will do that. I will create something like a strong focal point here for everybody to forget about that and forget about all other things. But look here. In spring, I planted these lovely little petunias. In the pots, they were little plugs and they were so small. They're outgrowing their area near my reading corner, so I took it out and I'm going to put it, where I'm going to put it? Let's see. It's the biggest visual spot of color, so maybe somewhere here. Let me see. And these hooks are surprisingly sturdy. Let me see, maybe as close to the fence as possible, somewhere here. Looking good. Unfortunately, hostess suffered tremendously during the installation of the fence. All right, so there's no point of saving these broken leaves. I'm going just to take them and hopefully hosta will create something new here. I like how all the pots can be rearranged in the garden, right? So this coleus is growing quite happy here in this corner near my climbing rose. What is this here? Garbage. Okay. So I think I will move it out of here, move my sweet potato vine here, which is not doing really well here. It's too shady, so there is more sun here closer. And this guy will go here. Let's see how he will do there. This is a little tight here, don't you think? Yes, it is. All right. Let's move and reposition this pot a little bit further, somewhere here. And let's see how this goes. Is this better? No, it's not, because the pot is not leveled here. All right, let's do this. Here we go. Better. Poor hostess. Let me spread them. Ugh. Damaged, damaged, damaged. And now on top of it, I have to put my birdie. This, although I'm not sure how I'm going to put it on this fence. And where it wants to be. It wants to be like this, right? It doesn't want to be like this. You know what? I'm going to make a little wooden hook. We'll insert it here and we'll put my birdie somewhere here, or maybe here. Well, we will see. Sticks in my garden is the most versatile medium, let me tell you. So I'm going to make a hook, which I'm going to insert into the wattle fence and hopefully successfully hang my basket. Let's see. So sharp edge here, it will go in, and hooks are here. Well, it's not really weight bearing, it's not a strongly weight bearing hook, but I think it will be enough for this light basket. I like how it looks, but it's a little bit empty here on the top. So what I'm going to add another basket, hanging basket here, but a little bit higher. And it is conveniently is growing under my apple tree. Let me get it, because I think it's going to have bigger impact here than there. Look at this cute begonia. It is thriving here in the shade, but unfortunately not many people see it here, so I think it would be better near my wattle fence. Now the question is, where do we put it? Okay, this is the back, somewhere here. Looks good. Okay. My big plant support is dry, so hopefully it will be more rust resistant here. But you know what? I don't like how artificial it looks here. It doesn't really look good. I might try to spray it with some sort of a wood imitation spray, but still. Maybe I can try to hide it behind. Oh, let's see. Something like here. Install it here, right? Let's see how it looks. No, I don't like it. All right, let's hide it behind. There's not much space here, but I can squeeze in. All right, it is inserted. I think it's going to be good here. Let me see. This is the back, so we will twist it. Oh, it's too low. Oh, I can adjust the hook. So I can hook it like this. This does look good. I like it. I do not really like super bright colors in the garden, so these whites and light pinks and greens, hopefully hosta will perk up here. I will slightly fertilize it. We'll create a nice little quiet presence, and nobody is going to look at that corner there, right? That ugly little thing there. Everybody is admiring this thing. Well, a last touch, what I want to do, I want to put a little island of ajuga here, this beautiful ajuga, which is spreading ferociously, and hopefully it will conquer some spots around. Not everything. I don't want it to be a sea of ajuga, just islands here and there, well attended. So I am going to replant some of them, and they're so tenacious. Like, for example, here at the end here where the soil meets the brick pathway, I planted what? A week and a half, 2 weeks ago, I planted ajuga, and look how nicely it all perked up. Lovely. So the same will happen here. Let's do it. I spilled water on myself. I don't know about you, but I love watering. And this ajuga here, near the tree, will need extra care at the beginning. Although it's so strong and it thrives near the trunk of trees that I wouldn't worry about it. It will do here just fine. These are watered, so I'm just giving them a nice refreshment in the middle of the day. And this poor hosta. Well, my dear gardeners, what can I say? Beautiful, I love it. Well, by the way, if you're new to my garden and you want to see how all this happened during the time of more than 10 years, here's an excellent video for you. I walked you through all the steps, what I did to the garden, all the designs, from the minute we bought the house to now. I love what I did today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do subscribe, and I will see you in our next video. Da-da!